Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to fill up your immigration arrival information for Laos. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like India, China, and many other countries, Laos too has this online arrival card system. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in this video. So in front of you, I have opened this Department of Immigration of Lao PTR, and they have this Lao PTR immigration card that all foreigners are required to submit within 3 days before arrival and departure. So I click on submit online. So this video we are going for arrival. So I'll go for arrival register. Arrival checkpoint. Where are you arriving? So let's say this one. When are you arriving? 3 days. So just select this. Family name. Any piece of information you enter here, make sure you check it at least 2 times. You don't want to do any mistake here, right? And write everything as per your own case. Don't just go by what I'm doing, because I'm putting sample. Place of birth, make sure it matches with your passport. Nationality, occupation, country or country origin, including country code. Okay, let me see if it. Okay, it accepts. Passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue. It will be written on. So this is passport image you need to upload, and passport with owner holding it. Okay, fine. So upload those images. Purpose of entry, let's say visit. Traveling by, let's say flight. Enter your flight number. Do it as per your own case. Traveling from, select the country. India. Traveling by group tour, I select no. If you do yes, it will ask the group name and some other information. Okay. These are mandatory fields. So I'm going to fill it up and then I'm going to see you in next section. Next is to provide the visa information. So if you have a visa, choose visa. If you're exempted from visa, select this. If you're going to apply visa on arrival, select this. So whatever is applicable in your case. If you select visa, so that I assume you already have it. Now it depends on your nationality too, whichever it's applicable. I'm just putting a sample. You know what, I had to upload images and all. So you date of issue, place of issue, and visa image. In on your visa, all this information you will find. But because this is just like a sample video, so I'm doing this. Additional info, hotel, where you're gonna say. So I'm just writing Hotel Alpha, province, check-in, check out. Okay. This is to confirm. Okay. Next, it will ask to confirm all the information that you have entered. So of course, I'm not going to go and do that. But with this, you got an idea how to do this. And before you confirm, you can always go back and you can change anything that you really want to. Okay, it's just in 4 tabs and then it will be submitted. You will get an email and other things. Okay. And they will have your information too, and it will generate a QR code too. So with this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.